Hello friends, welcome to How to Rocket once again. In this video, we will discuss about how you can transfer your tickets from Book My Show that you have booked for a movie or a match or anything. So what you will have to do, first of all, you will have to open your Book My Show app. Right here, you can see I have opened my Book My Show app, and then to transfer your tickets to your friends or family, you will have to click here on profile. As you can see here, here is your profile, then get tickets on your mobile. From here, you can just get alerts or receive your tickets on WhatsApp or SMS. Simply, you can click here to add your mobile number and verify. And then once you mm, book your tickets, then your tickets will be transferred or shared to your WhatsApp or message that number you have verified here. And then let me tell you how you can actually transfer your tickets from your app. Like some of uh, you know uh, match entries are made by using the tickets which is only verify in the app. So what we'll have to do, we'll have to click here on your bookings and purchase. As you can see, I don't have any bookings here, but I will tell you in 2 seconds like how you can share your tickets from here to your friends. Like they can use it in the name of you. So what you will have to do, once you click here on your bookings and purchases, you will see your booked ticket here. And once you click on book ticket, then you will see the option transfer ticket. Then you will simply need to click there on transfer ticket and just type mobile number of the person which you have to transfer, and make sure that the number that you are typing there, the man should be registered that mobile number to the Book My Show app of his in his phone. So once you add his number, the verification link will be shared to him on SMS or mail. Then simply he have to click there on verify, and one OTP will be shared to his number that you will have to type on your phone. And in that way, your tickets will be transferred to the man, and the person or the man that you are going to share your tickets can be able to use your tickets for the match and movie or anything that you have booked. So that's the video, guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.